Bye. Well, this is gonna be fun. Dance. Ha ha, very funny. Ah, okay, that was the first failure. You okay, bud?
Yeah.
Sam, come back up. Sam, come on the hard side.
You just letting it run?
What? Yeah, well, I can get 30-minute time on it. That's why I want a GoPro. Oh, good golly. Whoa. Ah! Whoa.
Do you see how far I went?
No.
I went all the way over there. I see, look, my print right there. My pass went over the hill.
Nice.
I'm a fast aerodynamic. No head first.
Yeah. This is quite fun.
It's a little soft, so you guys won't go as far, which is actually better and safer. But if this was like wetter and it turned harder,
Oh, we'd be flying.
Joshy, look at man. Sam, look at me. Josh, look. Eric, look at that.